Hi guys and welcome to Mbali Talks. Today's video I am so excited to make because it allows me the opportunity to show you guys one of the main reasons why I often say working online is the best way for you to work online. Not only that, it also allows me the opportunity to actually take you guys behind the scenes of my own progress as well as the kind of money that I make from just working online. This video is actually aimed at somebody who is one, looking for a way to consistently make money online, and two, who's actually looking for a consistent side hustle that is bound to always make you money all the way in the comfort of your home and also sometimes even while you're sleeping. If this sounds like what you're looking for, then please hit the like button and also please do hit the subscribe button so that you can join our community, as well as keep your notification bell on so that you never miss out on any of the content that happens here on Mbali Talks. Without wasting any more of your time, let's get right into it. So in today's video, I want to take you guys behind the scenes of my YouTube business, which is actually one of the businesses that I've suggested in so many videos for you guys to be able to start as a way for you to make consistent money online all the way in the comfort of your home and also sometimes all the way in your sleep, because it doesn't matter when you've made your YouTube content. People around the world are always sitting on YouTube, watching, waiting, and they have a chance of actually discovering your own YouTube channel as a way for you to be able to make money, obviously, from their views. So this is basically what my Mbali Talks dashboard looks like when I come onto the platform. First of all, I want to give you guys a bit of a background as to why I ended up starting a YouTube channel and why I think you should also do the same. So when we're sitting in the midst of the pandemic in 2020, I had to shut down my fashion business and we couldn't operate, to a point where I had to cut down on some of the people that I had actually been working with for so many years, because I obviously was not making the kind of money that I wanted in order for me to be able to pay them. In fact, we were not making any money at all. You guys remember level 5 type of lockdown? Exactly that. It's in that period that I realized I never want to be sitting at home with no money coming in and with not being able to do anything about it. And when I googled how one can actually make money online, starting a YouTube channel was one of the first things that people would always suggest in their blogs, etc. And people always tell you, when you watch a lot of the YouTube videos, you need to find a niche, you need to niche down. Quite honestly, guys, I didn't even really niche down at the beginning, but I took the advice that says you need to make as many videos as possible, testing out many different niches and or industries and or topics that you can actually talk about on your YouTube channel in order for you to actually decide which ones of the videos actually do well for you, and then you can start niching down because that's the content that you're going to start focusing on. And so one of my best advices is to say, don't start out being worried about what you need to create specifically under a certain niche. Just try out different things. At some point, I tried doing interviews for small business people as a way, obviously, to be able to expose those business people, but also as a way for me to not have to think a lot about the kind of content that I want to create. Because obviously, when you're in an interview, sort of like a podcast setup, it's not you that has created the content, but you're getting content from other people that are sharing their life and businesses. At some point, I tried out creating personal content which related to advice for every 20-year-old, etc. This video also didn't do well. But one of my first ever videos, which was basically the Alibaba video, is still doing very well even now. And even though it has moved from being in the top 5 of my videos that I watched on here on YouTube, but I still feel like the views that I've gotten over the past couple of years from that video have actually helped to boost a lot on my YouTube channel. If you're still not convinced, you can always come on Google and find out, say maybe highest paying YouTube content. This will give you a list of the ideas that you can actually tap into if you're somebody who wants to start a YouTube channel. For example, here they list you can make educational content, which is basically the category that I fall under, because I create a lot of content trying to teach people how to start a business, how to start a side hustle, the kind of side hustles you can start, places where you can go in order for you to make money, apps, webs, etc. They also have a tech and cars and gadgets person. This has made a lot of money for a lot of Americans that I've seen. And can you imagine being from this side of the continent actually testing out cars and or gadgets specifically? I think there's a guy on YouTube called MBHK, if I'm not mistaken. I actually get to watch some of his videos because my husband is actually a tech person, so he reviews a lot of these gadgets, and quite honestly, right now he gets them for absolutely free. You can also do lifestyle videos. We talk more about the vlogs. You can also do fashion and try on hauls. If you have a bit of money to buy clothes on Shein, Fashion Nova, etc., you can create videos that try out those clothes, telling us if they are true to size, etc. If you love cooking, you can try out cooking videos, fitness and building, video games, etc. The list is endless of the kind of content that you can actually try to tap into if you're somebody starting to create a YouTube channel but you're not really sure which content to create. Once you've decided what kind of information that you actually want to share on your YouTube channel, my advice for you, which is very simple, is to start out by recording at least 8 videos ahead of time. What this will do is allow you a bit of a breather so that you can make sure that the day you register your YouTube channel, you have at least 8 videos that you can use to post 2 videos a week in order for you to quickly gain traction on YouTube. And the one way that YouTube helps to support your channel is that if they realize that your channel consistently brings people onto their platform, which is basically their goal to keep people on YouTube, they are going to then promote you for absolutely free by boosting your videos onto their organic search tab, so that when people scroll down on YouTube, your video is, say, maybe number 6, number 5, which is something that has been happening to me in the month of August after I decided to be more consistent and post at least 3 videos a week. Now, before I can share with you how much money I've actually made this month on YouTube alone, and by this month I mean the month of August, I want to share with you guys one of my secret weapons here on YouTube. It is this plugin here called a Tubebuddy license. As you guys can see, I am on the Pro license, which is basically the most cheapest of the licenses that you can actually find, because obviously as a new YouTuber, I didn't want to find myself spending a lot of money online trying to, find ways on how I can actually optimize my YouTube channel. So I just went for the easiest thing. This is a Tubebuddy license. On Tubebuddy, you get to have a lot of features. Some of their popular features include Keyword Explorer, which actually helps you to be able to search which title you can use on your video based on your niche that is actually going to do well. Tubebuddy has other tools that you can actually use. They also send you messages in order for you to be able to know what's actually going on YouTube right now. They have industry news, and they also share milestones, which is where I come to be able to sort of pat myself on the back to say, this is what I have achieved, or these are the milestones that I've actually achieved. But my best tool for them is definitely the Keyword Explorer, which I'd advise for you to get as a new YouTuber before you can even start your channel, to make sure that you have a tool that can be sort of like a secret weapon for you to use in order to make your YouTube channel successful. And now for the thing that we're all here for, obviously, is to find out how much money I have made just in the month of August alone by being consistent in trying to produce at least 3 videos a week. Logging into my Google AdSense account this morning is actually what motivated me to do this video today, because this was honestly not the video that I had planned for us to do today, but I thought, let me do it as a way to encourage someone again who's looking for a consistent side hustle online, and also is looking for a consistent way for them to be able to make money online instead of being stuck on multiple survey sites and or trying to download free money apps, etc. As you guys can see, we're going to start on the last payment. This is the amount of money that YouTube actually paid me before the month of August, because from April, I think, up until August, I was actually not producing any real videos. So I was only just making money from the videos that were already on my YouTube channel, which is why I say to you, with YouTube, you can make money all the way in the comfort of your home and even when you're sleeping, because this money was only made from videos that were already on my channel, which means at any given point in time where people discover your channel, they come onto it, they watch your videos, YouTube is willing to pay you money for it, even if you have stopped producing YouTube videos. Now, the most exciting thing that happened to me this morning was me waking up to realize that this is the amount of money that YouTube is actually going to pay me. 3,141. And quite honestly, I'm more likely to get paid a bit more because this is only the balance that is showing right now. But YouTube uses sort of like a mid-month to mid-month type of analysis. So most likely by mid-September, this amount is actually going to be higher, which is actually when they are going to process the payment. They process your payment every time your balance is over 1,000. But this month, my balance is way over 1,000, guys. And as you guys know, I'm not even a big YouTuber. Literally, my subscription is currently sitting at 7,700. And some of those subscribers, about 1,400, were only those that I actually gained in the month of August, because by being consistent in consistently producing content, posting it at the same time, posting it on the same days every week, it said to YouTube that my channel is now becoming a consistent channel that YouTube needs to use in order for them to keep people coming back on YouTube through the views that you guys actually kindly give to my channel. In addition, by being consistent, you make sure that YouTube actually gets encouraged to use their algorithm to boost your videos, so that if you go into YouTube search, for example, and you talk about maybe videos on how to make money, you're more likely to scroll down to say maybe video number 6 or number 7. You're going to find one of the Mbali Talks videos now already organically showing up on YouTube, because YouTube's algorithm is now boosting them from the consistency that I've been showing this entire month. So I just thought today, let me come back here to show you guys my own real proof of what happens if you're willing to put in just a bit of work into yourself in order for you to be able to make money. And I know that this may seem like a lot of work having a YouTube channel, but it's really not. All you need is to have a phone in order to record your content, and you can even use a platform such as InShot, which is one of the platforms that I use for me to be able to edit my videos. I know that I'm on a free license, so it will not cost you anything, and also I like the fact that it's something that I can actually do on my phone at any given point in time. So I could literally be at a restaurant with my headphones on, trying to edit videos and posting. It's just one of the easiest ways for you to be able to make money online. It's also one of the most consistent ways for you to be able to make money online and make sure that you're always getting paid for your efforts. With all that said, I've come to the end of the video. If you found this video valuable, please do hit the like button so that it can do well on YouTube's algorithm. If you haven't already, please do hit that subscribe button so that you can join our community, and make sure to keep your notifications on for the channel so that you never miss out on any of the content that happens here on Mbali Talks. Otherwise, I'll see you guys in the next Mbali Talks video. Cheers.